This is question 17 of civil engineering paper of GATE 2019 forenoon session. In a soil specimen, the total stress, effective stress, hydraulic gradient and critical hydraulic gradient are sigma, sigma dash, I and IC respectively. For intimation of quicksand condition, which one of the following statement is true? So these questions is from the topic of principle of effective stress. You may watch lecture 19 effective stress soil mechanics geotechnical engineering 1 by Professor Dilip Kumar Vaid, IIT Kharagpur, for exploring your knowledge or detailed explanation of effective stress. Now, in effective stress, we have studied the value of effective stress changes regarding the flow condition. If there is no flow, that is if water is at rest, then the value of effective stress can be calculated by Z1 into gamma sub for this condition, as you can see in this picture. The next condition, if the flow is taking place from top to bottom, that is in the vertical downward direction, then the value of effective stress is equal to Z1 into gamma sub plus H into gamma W. So this is the value of effective stress. Now, the third condition, when the flow is taking place from bottom to top, that is vertical upward direction, then the value of effective stress becomes Z1 gamma submerged minus H into gamma W. So this is the value of effective stress. Now you can see in this equation, that is Z gamma sub minus I gamma WZ. So the first term is the submerged soil acting downward, and this I gamma WJ is the seepage pressure acting upward. So if both the forces balance each other, that is the upward force becomes downward force, then in that case the effective stress becomes 0, and this condition is called quicksand condition. And corresponding to this condition, the hydraulic gradient, that is I, becomes the critical hydraulic gradient. So it is named as critical hydraulic gradient because at this condition this soil cannot take any load. So this is called critical hydraulic gradient, and the formula for critical hydraulic gradient is G minus 1 by 1 plus E, where G is the specific gravity of that soil and E is the void ratio. So we can say for quicksand condition the effective stress is 0 and hydraulic gradients become critical hydraulic gradient. So you can see in these options. So the option B, in option B you can see the effective stress is 0 and hydraulic gradient is critical hydraulic gradient. So option B is the correct option for this question. Thank you.